Hey guys, it's Quentin coming back with another update on my little series I have going on about improving the Sniper EFI on my 1932 Ford Roadster. I got a package in today from Summit Racing with some of the parts that I've ordered to help fix my leaking exhaust issue that I think I have that's kind of messing with one of the O2 sensor. So I thought I would do an unboxing and kind of talk about the parts that I ordered and the reasons why. But before I get into that, if you would you please hit the subscribe button down below or hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment, whatever, just so I know people are watching. That'd be awesome. So yeah, let's get into it and I'll kind of go through everything. So I ordered this on Monday and it came in on Thursday. Today's Thursday, so pretty quick shipping, I would say. So first up is my header gaskets. Oh. Next is the collector gaskets. Both of these I went with the Rimflex brand. So next are the Excel Shorty spark plugs. When I took the spark plugs out of this, it was pretty evident that the when I had the O2 sensor go out on me, it kind of washed down the cylinders a little bit and has gotten the spark plugs pretty black. So I decided just to go ahead and replace those so I can try to have the best running vehicle I can. Next, this Summit split lock header bolts. I did order the stage 8 bolts for the exhaust collectors because I think I've just been fighting a big problem with those, and I wanted to just get this hopefully fixed. What else do we got in here? Oh. And then the last thing, I've been running the clamp-on O2 sensor. I really am gonna go kind of change from that, and I lost the original O2 weld-in bung that came with the system, so I ordered another one from Summit, and I'm gonna go have that welded on later this week. So that does it for my unboxing of all the parts that I've ordered for my 1932 Ford Roadster. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos coming up. I'm explaining all the different pieces a little bit more in depth. So if there's one that you wanted to learn a little bit more about, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, whatever. And especially that little bell notification, that would really be awesome. So when I do post the video you're interested in, you get notified for it. That'd be really awesome. So until then, I'm gonna keep working on this old car, and hopefully we're gonna make this, you'll see a lot more sniper improvement videos from me coming out, especially where we start getting into the weeds of tuning it, and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna make this thing even better, and hopefully all of you guys can pick up a little tidbit along the way as well. Thanks for watching.